Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It seems like it's been a while since I've talked to you, but I wanted to come back and let you know that I did retighten the second half of the front of my hair. It was quite an experience. When I was retightening my hair, I did combine two locks, and I think I mentioned that in my past video, but I'm not worried about it because my consultant, my loctician, is going to take care of it. I want you to see what my roots look like in the front. This is not something that I'm looking forward to doing anytime again in the near future. It wasn't as taxing as I thought it was going to be. I am happy for the experience that I had. I am also going to do a little bit more retightening in other areas of my hair. I tried doing one of my locks back here in the back, and then I stopped because I failed to pull the tool down, and right now I have a hole in that lock. So I stopped with the back, and I may just do some more that's closer to the front. I already have an appointment set up to see my loctician in June 16th. I know I will have to wear a mask. I know I'll have to stay in my car until I am texted to come in. I know that they will be sanitizing the area before I walk in and after I walk out. I know that my loctician will require a temperature check with touchless thermometer as I come into the building. And I know that I will have to wash my hands when I come in and when I exit, when I enter and when I exit. They're trying to use all the precautions that's needed. What I like about my loctician's place of business is that each loctician is in their very own room. So there'll only be two of us there. And I'll be wearing my mask and she'll be wearing her mask. And there will be no additional fee because of the additional growth that has occurred on my head as a result of the length of time in between retightening. My loctician has been very upfront with us and very upfront with me. I appreciate her for having a Zoom meeting with us at one point during this pandemic where we just had a sip and chat. There was the opportunity for me to take a virtual interlocking class for my hair. And now that she's gotten back with me, she's let me know that my appointment is scheduled and what I need to look forward to and what I need to prepare for. And I thank her for that. Now, you're going to see me retighten the second half of the front of my locks because I did not do the back. Thank you for watching. All right, my people. I've been working on this side of my head for an hour and a half. And now I only have a few more to do. And I've been using my husband's homemade tool. And I realize that I am happy that I did take a virtual interlocking class, because there was some things I really needed to know. Like lifting the needle so that I don't create holes. As careful as I was though, just like I'm not doing what I was supposed to be doing, I did not pin these down while I was working on this on the lock before this one, because I forgot to do that at least 2 times. I combined 2 locks. But I was told that if I inadvertently combine the lock, just leave it alone. So I'm leaving it alone till I can get some professional assistance with it. There were some locks that I did more than one rotation, and there were others, as you've seen me do in the front, that I only require 1 rotation. I'm not trying to get it too tight. Just trying to make sure that I don't lose any locks. And there are a lot of people who talk about how small the locks are. I didn't realize how small my locks were at the root until now, because they look so thick. Ew, I went the wrong direction. But I'm going to end it in the right direction. And that's what happens when I don't concentrate. So I'm going to concentrate while I do this one. I'm not going to do any talking. And I'm finished with the front of my hair. I am so pleased. I never thought that I'd be doing this, but I'm happy that I could. So the front of my hair is done. Oh man, look at that. It really looks good. My hair was really looking kind of rough, guys. But it looks good. And I am pleased. Even though, like, right back here, I have combined a lot. I know it is. Right here. And there's another one somewhere else. But I'll get professional help with getting that loose. So, my hair was not done with perfection, but it was done with a whole lot of love. So the front is done. I'll tackle the back next week. And I call it a tackle. I might need some help with somebody helping me to make sure that I'm not combining anything in the back. And if I find myself making too many mistakes in the back, I'll hold out for a while to see what it's going to be, how long it'll be before I can get my back done. But I'll certainly take my time getting it done. Until then, this is a sister who loves her locks, who never thought she would be retightening her own hair, but it was necessary. I've been told that I can do anything that I set my mind to. I set my mind to it, and it is done. I love my subscribers. I love my family and my friends, and I especially love God. Especially when I focus on Mother's Day. And I think about the fact that I'm blessed to be a mother of wonderful children. And have a happy Mother's Day. A wonderful weekend. Stay right there. Now we're twins. Come on, Shannon. Oh, come on, Tay. Where am I going to fit? Right here, BK. There we go. Oh, we look beautiful.